Apple reportedly slashes Apple Vision Pro shipments due to unexpected low demand. Are we really surprised about this? Glad to have you with us today. And please do me a favor, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. It helps supports the channel. I really appreciate your help. Now, are we really surprised by this? Are we really surprised? These Vision Pro headsets, remember Pro, which means expensive. Anytime I see Pro, it means to me the most expensive model. And it came out for what, $3,500? Look at this economy where people are not going to be ready to shell out $3,500. And even then, it's only a small amount of people that really have it. You go to these malls, you go everywhere, you don't see people wearing the Vision Pro or even doing something leisure. And don't get me wrong, I'm not sure how strong the developer community. I haven't really been seeing too many Vision app or active development. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments below. But the thing is that you got a platform, and if it's not very active based, and you got people not buying them. Now, according to the sales report, that's why they want to slash the Vision Pro headset, because people are not buying them. I wouldn't, because here's the thing. You can get a Meta Quest 2, and most of the stuff they do for the games, it's really watching streaming videos like from Crunchyroll, Netflix. That's what the bulk of what people are going to be using it for anyway these days. But $3,500, no. And you see, Apple was thinking about, based on the sales, that if the sales report was really strong, then they were going to release another version, a cheaper version. But that's going to be pretty much not going to happen. And let's go ahead and switch screens for a second, and we're going to see in this article that we're going to go over together. You can see right here that the Apple Vision Pro is reportedly having a tough time, with Apple said to cut production of the 3500 mixed reality headset amid lower than expected demand. Again, we're living in the economy is not doing too well right now. People are not going to be ready to sell out $3,500. They'd rather buy an iPhone than an Apple Vision Pro. According to the Apple analyst, it says that they have slashed its Vision Pro from 400,000 to 450,000, with the market predicting 780,000 units or more. According to the report, Apple cut shipping ahead of its Vision Pro launch in non-U.S. market, suggesting weak demand in the U.S. And if there's weak demand in the U.S., more likely it's going to be weak demand in non-U.S. market. But we'll see. Things could change. In Europe and all that stuff, they might be very popular. And maybe if it's popular there, then maybe Apple would change their mind and then probably release the cheaper version headset overseas. But it's not going to pick up demand right now until we get out this economy, to be honest. And right now, the Apple is currently reviewing its Apple Vision Pro roadmap and no longer releases a new cheaper model in 2025. So then again, it says may no longer release a new cheaper version 25. Again, non-U.S. markets might be doing well, and they might release a cheaper version for that market only. But right now, the price was just too high to start with. $3,500 when I could get a Meta Quest. I'm sorry. It is what it is. Further down the article, it says the Apple Vision launch in February with absurd price tag. In our review, we also mentioned that Apple Vision is uncomfortable fit, bummer battery life, but praise device, a glimpse in the future computing. This is from IGN. Now, thing is that it is a glimpse to the future, and if you want to go see or test out the headset, visit your local Apple store. You have to set an appointment if you want to use the Vision Pro, and typically on Saturdays and Sundays it's much busier. But if you have the chance, I implore everybody to try it. I think this is the future of computing. Mixed reality headset. The line between the virtual world and the real world is blurring constantly each and every day. But again, that blur is not gonna it's not worth $3,500. It's just really not. It's really not. But like I said, we'll see how it goes in non-U.S. market, because they're still gonna release them in non-U.S. market. We're gonna keep track of that and see how that well does. But until then, hey, if you want to get a mixed reality headset, go with the Meta Quest 2. It's really good. It's cheap. As a matter of fact, they're on sale right now. But again, it is what it is. I'm sorry. I do not even recommend anyone. Now, if you're doing developer work, now there is SDKs for it that you could try out. I'm going to try out the SDK as well and try to develop an app on there. And, I'll let you guys know how it goes. But until then, is it really worth? Are you really excited about the $3,500 mixer route? Are you gonna go buy it right now, or would you rather have the Meta Quest 2? Let me know in the comments below. But again, thanks for listening. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out at the channel. I really appreciate it. I hope y'all have a good day. Later.